got my nail done. My mom literally bought me a nail polish. It's mine. It's mine, not hers. With my dad's money. I'm the one that paid for it. My dad gave me the freaking. My dad gave me the. My dad gave me. My dad gave me the money. I gave it to the cashier. I bought three things. This, that. I don't know where's the other one though. Maybe my mom is using it. Yeah, maybe she's using it. And that is Emilia's. The other one is my mom's. It's like a hanger that connects to the wall. You can put like a bag, like anything like that, like that, like that. Not the clothes. That the top. Yeah, like that, and it's Sanrio. Pom Pomporine, Pachaco, Kuromi, and Cinnamoroll. And this is mine. It's so cute. If you ask who did my nails, my mom did my nails. My favorite color, purple pa. Binili ko to sa Miniso. 99 lang to. Ito, 99, oo. Miniso. Lahat ng binili namin, kahit iyan, at saka yung binili, yung kay mami, 99. Ang galing! Binili namin sa SM Tansa. That's it, guys. Bye! Mwah.